What's up, guys? You're watching Busted Cars Garage. Hi, my name is Andrew and I have a problem. I have too many cars. Over the years, I've collected a number of Hondas, but now it's time to clean house and get rid of some of these shells that I don't want and some of these car parts that I don't need, make some money from them, and that way I can focus on the builds that I actually want to pursue this year. This is my '94 Honda Civic. I bought this car a couple of years ago because it had an Integra GSR engine in it. I've since pulled that motor out and put it in my '95 Del Sol, so I really don't need this shell anymore. It does have basically brand new suspension on it that I'd like to pull off of the car and put on my '93 hatchback that I'll be putting some more time into in the future. Alright, at this point we've gotten the suspension off of the shell and we're going to put these tine coilovers on it. They're nothing special, just single point of adjustment coilovers, so they're really just not very nice coilovers at all, and I'm more than happy to get rid of them along with this shell and just give it something to roll on at this point. Alright guys, so we got the single adjustment coilover suspension on now that I don't care about, want to get rid of, and I put it pretty low, so I'm hoping this thing will be pretty slammed, so we'll see what it looks like. Stance boy. Oh yeah. So we definitely kind of have that stance look going on here. And we got Kiera up on the car because no engine in the front, so we add a little bit of weight. But yeah, look at that. She's pretty low. Look at that slammed life. Not too low right there, but we're definitely tucking tire on the other side here. Check this out. Yeah, boy.